Dear colleagues, today we'd like to tell you about the new solution developed by SATEKO. This is a rather specific solution designed to inspect cavities of small diameters with a high level of reflection from the inner surface. As a rule, these are pipes of small diameters. For example, the inner diameter of the pipe that we examined in the test video is 13 mm. The maximum pipe inner diameter for this solution is 50 mm. But if you need to get the solution for a larger or smaller diameter, we will be ready to develop it up to your requirements. The idea of the solution we've created is not new. Previously, it was used for special kind of optical endoscopes that were used to inspect tubes. At many enterprises, we can still find similar optical endoscopes. Unfortunately, such devices are no longer supported in many countries. In addition, these endoscopes lacked the function of recording photos and videos, so relevant today. So, the idea is that we are not looking at the phenomenon itself, for example a furrow or a shell in the inner surface of the cavity, but a shadow spot from it. The fact is that in the presence of high level of surface reflection, for example if it's a stainless steel pipe, when using an endoscope with the conventional camera design, the surface glare very much and we see the reflection of walls on each other, which makes it difficult to objectively examine such a cavity. The solution that SATEKO offers is based on the fact that we are not looking at the phenomenon itself, or as we call it, an event, but its shadow spot. How it works? We have placed the light source not at the site where the camera is located, as it usually done on video endoscopes, but in front of the camera. We've made it scattered and directed towards the camera. When examining the pipe, we don't need to see what is located directly in front of the camera. We are interested in the walls of the pipe, located at the edge of the field of view of the camera. Thus, when light comes to the surface of the cavity, the shadow of any phenomenon or event will be located in the field of view of the camera, unlike the situation when the light comes from the same place as the camera. To improve the accuracy of the image, we did a little work with the camera settings. We switched it to black and white mode to increase the sensitivity level of the sensor and slightly change the internal settings of the processor, such as the signal gain level and sharpness. So, the advantages of the new SATEKO solution are overcoming highlight and surface reflections, high sensitivity to the slightest damages, minimum pipe diameter from 8 mm. Based on this development, SATEKO offers solutions that are flexible probes up to 10 meters long, with a design consisting of a camera and diffused backlight source mounted on the distal end. If necessary, the construction can be installed on a rigid probe up to 2 meters long. If you want to know more, please contact us.